see she texted me already. I'm gonna put all my shit in the car.
I feel like that could have been enough soap. I don't know how much soap I needed. So this is Devlin.
Hi guys.
He's here for free labor and free use on the internet. So if you want to get his details, use him as a little boy toy. You can. Love you. Shit.
Ah! You got the camera a little bit.
No, it's not recording anymore.
Now it is.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, I just clicked it.
Oh, okay. Do whatever the fuck you want. Big Daddy job. Wait, hold up.
It's raining.
These things right here. Okay, calm down. Those things right there that he's spraying down with the cleaner are these things right here. So mistakes have been made.
In my fucking armpit, bro.
Here's the front side.
My hand's already fucked.
It's got texture there, but yeah, it's got texture. I did this to myself by accident. I didn't really mean to do that. Yeah, I completely painted his nails. You probably hear the wind chimes in the background. I don't have a whole lot of battery left, but I just did like a final coat. I know we already did a lot, but I was looking at the metal. I just felt like it could use another coat. Oh, cool. The other one's got 95 battery. Okay.
Hopefully this looks alright.
This is what we're putting on it.
You want me to start going up?
Yeah. Let's try it. So today what we're doing is we're taking off the wheel well covers. Today we are taking off the fenders on both the front and the back. And then I don't remember what these things are called. Today what we're doing is taking off the fenders. So I bought some heavy duty fenders. They stick out to like about to here, I would say. I just bought them off Extreme Terrain. I don't exactly remember the brand, but I'll show you all the box when if I bring them out. Let's go ahead and start taking this thing off. The wonderful thing is that that they're all different because yeah, I don't know why. I don't have all the same stuff. Why is it? What's stopping it? Oh no. Oh, it's just spinning back there. Allen key. Okay. I don't see it going any other way. All that for plastic. Hopefully this stuff works properly.